Wonderful home on 3 acres with pool and workshop in Troup. This is a rare find. This home with over 2,200 square feet is a 4-bedroom, 4th bedroom currently used as an office, 2-bath, 2-car garage that welcomes you with soaring ceilings and custom touches throughout. A cook's kitchen with granite, stainless appliances, double ovens, gas cooktop, and island is open to the dining area and living area with fireplace and built-ins and is perfect for entertaining or everyday living. The master bedroom with ensuite bath is a quiet retreat. 2 guest rooms share a full hall bath and offer ample space for family or guests. The interior space is complete with an oversized utility room with sink and room for an extra fridge or freezer. The pool is the perfect spot to enjoy these hot summer days. The 30x26.5 shop with electricity and insulated walls is adjacent to an unfinished space intended to be a pool house. This space has unlimited possibilities: mother-in-law suite, exercise room, man cave, etc., and provides a large covered patio by the pool. Don't miss this opportunity. Special financing available. Come see. Come by.